guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new, welcome. I hope all of you guys are all safe and well and at home with your families. Today I have a Dollar Tree Easter decor video. I was inspired by the robin's egg, and the color blue is definitely going to be a color that I'm going to be using. So to begin, we are going to be starting off with this bunny carrot egg sign. This sign, I previously made it for Valentine's Day, and I didn't like how it looked when I first made it, so I just covered it up. I will list down below the link of how I made this sign. It was in one of my Valentine's Day videos. These are going to be all the supplies that you're going to need. I am going to start off with these wooden ornaments, so I ended up using the egg, the bunny, and the carrot. And here I'm just going to be using some paint from Walmart. I was trying to go for very Easter light pastel colors, so I gave it probably like 2 coats for each wooden ornament. Once you're done with the blue, I am taking this dotting tool and I'm dipping it into some black paint. I just went free with it. I started off with little dots and then slowly decided to make some big dots as well. And guys, you're gonna see Ariana in the background. She was sitting next to me and she was working on some art herself. Once you are done with the egg, now we are ready to paint the bunny, and I'm just gonna be painting it a very light gray. As I'm doing the voiceover, I'm realizing that if you wanted to add a little bit more detail to the bunny, you can do so many things. If you wanted to, you could add glitter. You can even add a small little cotton ball at the end of the bunny's tail. So now I'm moving over to the carrot, and I had a very bright orange, so I decided to tone it down and add a little bit of white just to give it more of a pastel look. And I'm now doing this green. I don't know if I added some white. I think I left it because I think I was happy with the green color that I used. And once you've painted all of your wooden ornaments, you're gonna take some hot glue and you're gonna add it on to the back so that way you can put it into each of the squares. It doesn't have to be in any type of order. You can place it however you would like. I started off with the bunny, and then I added the egg and the carrots. And then you're gonna see that I'm gonna add some stickers to the last one. You could also use your Cricut machine and put any wording, any Easter wording that you like. I had to keep playing around with it because unfortunately I ran out of letters, so I ended up just putting Happy Bunny. And now for our second DIY, this welcome spring egg sign. So you're gonna use one of the wooden signs from Dollar Tree and the galvanized wording. And I'm going in with some blue paint. This was my inspiration for this year. It was a bag that I got from Walmart. So I ended up using 2 coats. I tried using the brush and it didn't really work out how I wanted. So I went back to my cosmetic sponge, and I feel like it just spread out the paint much faster. Now I'm taking the dotting tool and I'm doing the same pattern that I did on the other DIY project. Once you're done with that, you're gonna grab the hot glue gun and we are going to glue the welcome spring galvanized wording onto the sign, and that's pretty much it. It's something simple and cute. For the next DIY, we're gonna do an egg garland. I'm gonna list down in the description box the link to the other Easter video that I did where I show you guys how I made these. I previously painted it and I didn't like the color, so I went back with a lighter blue, and I'm gonna be using the dotting tool again to create the robin egg look how I did before. Now, I don't do it in this video, but once I was done, I went back with some Mod Podge the glossy finish, and I added one coat to it just to finish it off, so you can do that as well. Now for our next DIY, this rabbit wreath. I purchased this last year and I never got around to it. So I ended up buying these florals, this burlap ribbon. To begin, we're going to remove the plastic bow from the bunny. And I'm cutting off the flowers that I'm going to be using. I didn't hot glue them, I just poked them through. But if you wanted to, you can hot glue it just to secure it. And here I'm just measuring out the bow on how I want it. I wanted to make it into a girl bunny, so I'm just gonna add this bow to the neck area with some flowers, and I'm gonna also repeat the step and choose one side of the ear to place a bow and florals as well. And that's pretty much it. It's something very simple, and this comes with a string behind it already, so I didn't have to add anything in order to hang it. Our next DIY is this egg. I purchased this from Michael's. All it is you just giving it a few coats of paint and with a dotting tool doing the same process that I did with the other eggs. And that is it for these DIYs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, it really helps out my channel and lets YouTube know that you guys are engaged. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way you'll be notified every time we upload. And until next time, guys, stay safe and God bless. Bye. Mwah.